Retractor Suvidhi Solanki from Rotaract Club of Pune Renaissance RID 3131. So basically, I will be mentioning the reasons for us to attend online classes. Since we all know that due to the current situation of COVID-19, it is not possible for us to go to our schools and colleges and attend lectures physically. So this is the reason we attend online classes. We should also attend online classes because we will be able to perform well in this academic year and give exams, and also it forms a base for the next years, so that if we have any advancements in this year's topic or any applications related to it, so that we won't have a doubt later on. Yes, I know that attending online classes puts a strain on our eyes and brain, but we should take care of it in some way. I think attending online classes is the only option as of now, since the schools and colleges are closed. So yes, we should attend online classes. Thank you.
Hello guys, this is Rotaractor Past President Magesh Kumar, Secretary, Rotaract Tirupur West, RI District 3202 Zone 3. ஸோ ப்ராஸ் அண்ட் கான்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஆன்லைன் எஜுகேஷனோட அட்வான்டேஜஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா காஸ்ட் வைஸ் உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப கம்மி தான். ஏன்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு டிராவல் எக்ஸ்பென்ஸ் பெருசாக கிடையாது, சுத்தமாகவே கிடையாது. அப்புறம் யூனிஃபார்ம்ஸ் நீங்கள் பெருசாக இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ண வேண்டியதில்லை, யூனிஃபார்மே வேண்டியதில்லை. நீங்கள் எந்த காஸ்டியூமில் வேணால் அட்டன் பண்ணலாம், நோ இஷ்யூஸ். இன்னொன்று டைம் கம்ஃபர்டபிலிட்டி. டைம் உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப எக்ஸ்டெண்டாகவே இருக்கும். உங்களுக்கு கிளாஸுக்கு ஒரு 5 minutes வரைக்கும் நீங்கள் தூங்கிக்கலாம் பெட்டில், உங்களை யாரும் கேட்க போகிறதில்ல. அந்த டைமுக்கு நீங்கள் ஷெட்யூல் டைமுக்கு அட்டன் பண்ணால் போதும். மூணாவது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அக்சசிபிலிட்டி பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் நீங்க என்ன பாயிண்ட் பார்க்கலாம் அப்படின்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா, ஒரு ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் போயிட்டு இருக்கு, உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது ரிலவெண்ட் அந்த டாபிக் ரிலவெண்ட் சர்ச் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா கூகுள் பண்ணி நீங்க அதுக்கு ரெஃபரன்ஸ் எடுத்துக்கலாம். பட் யாரும் பண்ண போறது கிடையாது. ஸோ இதெல்லாம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு சில அட்வான்டேஜஸ் இருக்கு. டிஸ்அட்வான்டேஜஸ் அப்படின்னு நம்ம பார்த்தோம்னா, சோசியல் இன்ட்ராக்ஷன் அப்படிங்கிறது கிடையாது. நம்ம கிளாஸ்ல ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸோட இன்ட்ராக்ஷன் ஆயிட்டு ஒரு ஸ்பிரிட்டோட நம்ம கிளாஸஸ் அட்டன் பண்ணுவோம். ஸோ அதை ரொம்ப மிஸ் பண்றோம். ரெண்டாவது பாயிண்ட் கேட்டீங்கன்னா, டீச்சர்ஸ் ரொம்ப பாவங்க. ஏன் அட்டன் பண்ணல, ஸ்கூல்ல கிளாஸ் ரூம்லயாவது அவன் முகத்தை பார்த்து தூங்குறானா, ஒரு சிலருக்கு முடிச்சுட்டே தூங்குவாங்க, அதெல்லாம் பிரச்சனை கிடையாது. ஸோ அந்த ஒரு அக்சசிபிலிட்டி டீச்சர்ஸ் பண்ண முடியாது. அது ஒரு டிராபேக் இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா. அடுத்த டிராபேக் பாத்தீங்கன்னா, பிராக்டிக்கல் நாலேஜ் ரொம்ப லேக்கா இருக்கும். உங்களுக்கு என்னதான் தியரிட்டிக்கலா நீங்க ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் படிச்சாலும் பிராக்டிக்கலா ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். ஸோ இதெல்லாம் நிறைய டிராபேக்ஸ் இருக்கு. ஸோ ஆன்லைன் எஜுகேஷன் அப்படிங்கிற சில வகையில அட்வான்டேஜஸ், சில வகையில பாத்தீங்கன்னா டிஸ்அட்வான்டேஜஸா இருக்கு. ஸோ தேங்க்யூ மக்களே.
Hi everyone, thank you so much for proposing me to take part in this project. It's a really interesting topic. In my opinion, online communication is really important, especially now that we are facing this horrible period due to the pandemic. Everything is changed, especially in schools that tried to solve this problem with online classes, which has made it possible to continue education at all levels. Unfortunately, the situation is different in every country, and many people have difficulty in continuing their studies because schools are not yet equipped with the right technologies. Personally speaking, I think that face-to-face classes are more effective than online classes because they allow a direct comparison among people. For the current situation, however, the online classes are the best tool that can be used. Culture is the foundation of civilization, and I really hope that these techniques used will improve. Thank you again for your proposal, and I can't wait to work with you on other projects. Bye!
I'm Rotaract Vandana, serving as International Service Director of Rotaract Club of Sabla, Zone 2, RID 3020. Talking about my question, the question I got is, how is my interaction with my teachers? Talking about the student and the teacher relationship, a student and teacher relationship consists of lots of communication, a healthy and positive communication, negotiation, and that would help gaining a much more knowledge to the student. Have you ever noticed that when a student really likes his teacher, has love towards his teacher, they start working hard. They put all their efforts into the subject so that they have a good impression on the teacher. That is what the communication helps. If the teacher is good enough to the student, they would put all their efforts to being the best in front of the teacher. I have been one of that in that scenario. So this kind of relationships helps developing knowledge of the student, not only about the subject but also about various general topics as well. And talking about my interaction with my teachers, I have a very good interaction. Our relationship is so healthy and positive. All our teachers are very much motivating and very supportive. Their help has brought me, their motivation, their knowledge, their well-being has brought me here wherever I am. The knowledge, whatever knowledge I have right now, that is all possible with, that would never be possible without my teachers. So thank you all my teachers, and here was my answer to this question. Thank you.
Hello, I am Rotaractor Harshita Sharma, President of RCMC KVIE. First of all, I would like to appreciate this joint initiative by Rotaract Club of Coimbatore Cosmopolitan and Rotaract Club of Coimbatore Tech City for coming out with this project named 15 Reasons Why. So the question which I have been asked is, what do I do when I don't listen to my online classes? So on a lighter note, I would say that online classes have made it easier to bunk classes being present in the class. All you need to do is just stay online and you get your attendance. But I won't lie that I attend all my online classes, but I definitely don't miss those classes which are of my interest. There are both pros and cons of having online classes, but I won't go into that. So what I do when I don't listen to my class, so there are many things which I might have been doing, like scrolling my Instagram or Facebook feed, watching TV, or I might be studying any other subject of my interest. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you.
Hello, I am Rotractor Sara Khan, HRD and PR officer from Rotract Club of Hinduja. So my perspective about online lectures is, I basically feel that online lectures have its advantages and disadvantages as well. For example, advantage of having an online class is that in between the lecture, if you are feeling sleepy, so you can just put off your camera and you can fall asleep. I mean, no one is gonna notice that whether you're attending the lecture or not. Everyone is gonna think that yes, you are present in the class, and no one is gonna get to know that you are not attending the lecture. And if we talk about disadvantage of having an online class, so I feel that online lectures are not so helpful. They are not interactive. Teacher is speaking, we are seeing the presentations, documentaries and PPT files, but it's not so useful and helpful as per to me. So this is what I think, and thank you.
Hi, I am Rotractor Shweta Gawandi from Rotract Club of Dombivli Sun City, RID 3142. The answer to your question whether it is cool to make fun of teachers in virtual classes is a straight no. Virtual world has never been easy on teachers, especially during this pandemic wherein there is so much of negativity going around. Making fun of anyone, including teachers, during virtual classes is merely lack of empathy. Relationship with teachers should always be mutual. Give respect and take back knowledge. So making fun of them while they teach is nothing but stupidity. Also, teachers are not always equipped with new gadgets and latest technologies. Still, they do their best to help us learn. Let's appreciate them for what they do. I think it's high time that students stop making fun of teachers in virtual as well as in traditional classrooms.
I am not convenient to on my audio and video during online lectures, because with that I can do my other work, as well as I can sleep or do any other thing, as well as I'm getting attendance for the lectures. And one big thing is that leave audio or video, I just lower the voice of my call that I can sleep or give attendance or do any other thing.
Hi, I am Protractor Swati Dubey, HRD Officer of RC Saraf. मैं लेक्चर के दौरान अपने ऑडियो एंड वीडियो को ऑन करने के लिए सहमत नहीं हूँ क्योंकि घर का इन्वायरमेंटल बहुत चेंज हो सकता है एंड जिससे मैम और सर को लेक्चर के दौरान बहुत सारी डिस्टर्बेंस फेस करनी पड़ सकती है एंड अदर्स जो स्टूडेंट रहते हैं उन्हें भी. थैंक यू.
Doing audio video or doing online lectures can actually help us to concentrate and focus more on the particular things.
Hi, we are from Rotaract Club of Jamnagar. We are here to give our views on is it beneficiary to conduct exams online and give certificates? The idea of conducting online examination and giving certificates is not satisfactory as it doesn't justify a student's overall performance. Just remembering the bookish knowledge is not going to show a student's progress or the level of performance, whereas a student will lack the environment of competitiveness, compassion, care, humility, teamwork, etc.
Moreover, the honesty of the students lacks in conducting the online examination, and some parents might lack financially. On the other hand, it is awe-inspiring to know and see the knowledge is just a one-click away, where anybody can take it and anybody can take advantage of it as and when it is required.
Hence, it should be a balanced online and offline structure. Only certificates won't take you far. Thank you.
Hi all, I'm Rotractor R. Kalevani, Associate Sergeant at Arms of Rotaract Club of MOP Vaishnav College for Women. I'm gonna talk about the topic, are labs that are done virtually are better than real labs? Yes, virtual labs are better than real labs. There are a lot of softwares out there that could emulate the equipment and conditions of a real lab. This could be done with a high technology 3D software and immersive learning experience. There are a lot of reasons why virtual labs are better than real labs. First of all, it gives access to education to all students, especially in a country like India. India has lots of students who stay in remote area and find the compute hard. But with an internet connection, virtual labs is just a click away. A lot of science courses cannot be done online because of the lab work, which is an important component. But with the software which could mimic a lab virtually with the same features is a win for students who wish to undertake distance learning. Another important point is that virtual labs are cost effective, but maintaining and constructing a laboratory is more expensive and in turn it increases the fees paid by the students. Another point to consider is that students can use their lab work at their own time and convenience instead of being restricted by the lab hours of their respective universities. This generally increases their study time. All the points tip towards the virtual labs being better than the real labs as they are accessible, cost efficient and convenient. Thank you.
Hi, I am Jinbert Lamay Caporte. Having our classes virtually is awesome because I can explore my knowledge about the internet and use it for our school activities.
Hi, I am Rinshalo Azuki. Online classes are convenient for me because I can easily access the things I need within the reach of my hands for daily school activities.
I'm Sharmi Roshana. One of the advantages of having our classes online is that I can save the money that is supposedly intended for my daily allowance.
Hello everyone, I am Angel Sumubay, a Bachelor of Science and Midwifery student. And having our classes virtually is not easy for me because it only means that I'll be exposed to too much radiation from my computer and mobile phone, and it really hurts my eyes.
Hi, I'm Saiza Kobo. Having our classes online is great because I don't have to travel 30 minutes to school and get stuck on the heavy traffic.
I prefer online class
because total cost is reduced.
I prefer online class
because of more comfortable learning environment.
I prefer offline classes
due to live interaction between students and teachers.
So the things we do when we do not listen in class is basically I go through Instagram and spend a lot of time there while I'm not listening to the class, and secondly, I usually chat on WhatsApp. So that's the few things I do when I do not listen in class.
Hi, Rotrack Kushi this side. So if I get the opportunity to not switch on my camera in my classes, which is a mandate, I'll either stream something on YouTube, Netflix, send snaps, reply to texts, eat my breakfast, read something random. Yeah, that is all I do. Yeah. Bye-bye.
When we don't listen to online classes, we read books. I don't like online classes because the students who are not able to understand in offline classes, then how will they understand in online classes?
I'm not listening to the online classes, what other things I'm doing. I'm playing PUBG, watching Netflix, talking to other friends over call, and writing good songs. That's making me good, feels good. And just writing myself down and watching a new web series known as Lucifer. That's really impressive for me, so I'm watching that. And that's it I'm doing. And I'm not really listening in an online class.
I'm not listening towards our online classes. So what other things I do? I sleep a lot because my class starts at 7:30 a.m., which is so early for me. I'm on my bed in front of TV, and yeah, I do that. I don't study a lot. I hate virtuality. I want my good back days.
मैं ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में पूरे फोकस के साथ सुनता हूँ. अगर मुझे क्लासेस नहीं करना होता तो मैं ओवरऑल क्लास अटेंड ही नहीं करता, लेकिन जब भी क्लास में रहता हूँ तो पूरे फोकस के साथ अटेंड करता हूँ.
ஹாய் எவ்ரி ஒன். என்ன கொஸ்டின் இது? ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸை மிஸ் பண்ணுறோமானா கண்டிப்பாக. குவாரண்டைனில் மிஸ் பண்ணாத ஆள் யாருமே இருக்க மாட்டாங்க. ஷுவராக ஐ மிஸ் மை காலேஜ். பிகாஸ் எப்பயுமே எல்லாத்துலேயுமே கூட இருக்கிறது ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் தான். என்ன ஒரு வீட்டில் எந்த இஷ்யூஸ், வீட்டில் எந்த ஒரு சண்டை வந்தாலும் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கூட இருப்பாங்க. ஸோ ஐ மிஸ் மை ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் டூ மச். நிறைய விஷயம் இன்னும் ஷேர் பண்ணிக்க தான் இருக்கும், பட் அதை ஸ்ட்ரெயிட்டாக மீட் பண்ணி பேசுகிறதுக்கு ஈக்குவலாக கண்டிப்பாக வராது. தேங்க்யூ.
என் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸை தான் நான் ரொம்ப மிஸ் பண்ணுறேன். ஏன்னா என் ஹாப்பினஸ், என்னோடய ஃபீலிங்ஸ் எல்லாமே அவங்ககிட்ட தான் ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். ஸோ நேரில் பேசுகிற மாதிரி ஃபோனில் வரல. ஐ ரியலி மிஸ் யூ மை ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்.
இந்த டைமில் நான் என்னோடய ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் தான் ரொம்ப மிஸ் பண்ணுறேன். காலேஜ் டேஸில் நாங்கள் என்ஜாய் பண்ணாத டேஸே இல்லை. அதனால் வந்து நான் இந்த குவாரண்டைனை வந்து நான் ரொம்ப மிஸ் பண்ணுறேன் என் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸை. ஐ எம் ரியலி மிஸ் மை ஃப்ரெண்ட்.
Online classes are really beneficial because firstly it is efficient, it gives you easy access to teachers, and most importantly easy attendance.
Hi, online education enables the teacher and the students to set their own learning pace. It also teaches them better time management skills.
Hi, according to me online classes are flexible, provide you with a wide range of programs, and are quite accessible.
Hi, according to me, online education can cost less due to variety of reasons. So, for example, the cost related to transportation don't affect the student.
Online classes are not fruitful in a long run because students tend to procrastinate, and it makes students more independent about their studies than they should actually be.
No, online classes are not good in the long run, as prolonged isolation due to no peer interaction affects a student's mental health.
Online classes causes social isolation. It seriously affects the nature of teaching and learning. Also, it weakens the critical thinking and political practices, which leads to lack of communication skills.
Online class is not an alternative for long term. We come across many obstacles, such as it consumes more time and it requires constant focus.
I don't think there is anything good about online class. It's filled with demerits from alpha to omega. It's very boring. There's no feel to online classes. They're nothing for long run.